Hi, boys and girls. I noticed some of you said that soon you'll be running out of books. One option is to go to school when they're giving out the grab and go meals. Sometimes there are also grab and go books. But if that's not an option for you, I'm going to show you how to get a free library card. You're going to go to liveberry.com, and they're letting you have access to library cards for 90 days. So the first thing you have to do is click right here, which says get a library card. You're going to put in your first name, your last, where you live, and then the most important part is your email. You can't put your school email in because you will not get the email to be able to access your account. You want to put in either your parents' email or if you have a different email other than the school's, that's what you would put in. Then you're going to hit submit. It'll give you a new screen will come up and it will give you a barcode number. Write that barcode number on a piece of paper. You're going to go back, hit liveberry.com. You're going to click My Library Account. This is where you have to set up a new library account. Oops, so this is my son's. We're sorry about that. Let's try that again. My Library Account. Okay, right here it says create a password. So that's what you want to hit. You're going to take that barcode number that you wrote down on a piece of paper, enter it here, hit submit. It's going to send you an email to that email account that you had put down in the beginning. You're going to want to go to that email account, check your email. There should be an email from Sierra.net. That's the library's company. You're going to want to go and click on the link, set up a password. Once you get your password, we're back here at liveberry.com and back to my library account. Sounds kind of silly, but that's what you have to do. You're going to put that barcode number in. This is my son's, or my computer already has the password saved, and I'm going to hit log in. Go back up here at liveberry.com. Now we're going to go to ebooks and audiobooks and see what you have access to. Here is the Library Overdrive website. You're probably going to have to sign in again. See, right here it says sign in. Let's check that out. My library is Cutchall. Yours would be Floyd. Hopefully this works. Fingers crossed, right? Let's see. My number was 455-4767. And let's see if you can hear Avery in the background. She's playing with her Barbies. See, is it working? Oh, yep, it's spinning, so let's just be patient. It takes a little while sometimes. I know everyone right now is home and using the internet, and that can be really hard too. What, Avery? Okay, and here we are. It took a little while, but we are in, and now you have access to all of these books, which is wonderful. The Who Was award-worthy winners, Baking, Harry Potter. And remember, some of them say place hold, which means you can't get them right away, and some of them you can borrow. So I hope that really helps you. If you have a device at home, you can download the Libby app, use the same login information. If you don't have a device and you have a Chromebook, you can just read it on the Chromebook. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.